Where were you last night, huh? Aren't you supposed to be a freaking guard dog? Aren't you supposed to bark when something is getting into my freaking coop? Like, are you freaking kidding me? There's Hey Hey. That's good, and 2 babies. I'm scared to even go. I'm scared to even go see what the damage is. Hey, it's the dog. She's not gonna do anything. So Shasta normally barks when there's something in our yard. But nothing. Absolutely freaking nothing. And they said there was a body out here, but I don't, unless they cleaned it up before I got down here. But what the flip does this? What? Like, for real? There's a few chickens still in there. I guess they're afraid to come out. But it's bad. It's really bad. Like, when I say bad, I mean November Massacre bad. And I gotta do something about that screen. Like, it's over half of the juniors. You know, we still got the 2 silkies, and Dude is fine. Hey Hey's fine, he's right there. 2 of the babies are okay. It's so heartbreaking, and they don't even want to come out because they're scared. And I hear the neighbor's dogs. I need to go to the neighbor. Because he's a hunter, so I need to have him get whatever did this to my poor little chickens. Well, I took the girls to where they needed to be. They're way deep back here in the back of our property, so whatever came to eat them can finish them. And I found a turtle. Look at this guy. Look at this slider. Boop. I can't zoom in my gloves. There we go. My girls will protect you. Okay? I'll keep you safe till you get wherever you're going. Cause they're gonna be the main attraction for a minute. Alright, I know I can't show over there. I really can't. You guys can't ever come with me to the creek for a while, cause, well, but I know it seems bad, but now I have to start thinking about replacing those guys. We only have 2 egg layers now. The initial chicken that was first, well, that was actually taken, was our good green egg layer, I guess you would say. I think it was more blue, but oh, I have to tell my neighbor, she absolutely loved that chicken. She loved getting those eggs, and I did find a few eggs, so I don't know, maybe I'm going to start up the incubator, maybe not. That's just a hassle. I don't want to hatch them. So, oh, fudge. Now I can't, with chickens you have to order over 25. I can't order over 25. Maybe I'll email a company. We'll fight. We'll see. We'll see. I'll let you know what happens. Oh, that's my boy. That was Hey Hey. Oh, so I just got done cleaning out the coop. It's somewhat clean. It's about as good as it's gonna get. And I just got done talking on the phone with the hatchery and my neighbors. The hatchery, I know it seems soon, but I ordered your boy, Hey over there, some more hens because 2 hens are gonna get stressed by 2 roosters, and I just can't have that. And I got 2 people trying to lay eggs. Oh, he's cute. Are you sitting? Will you take these animals that I just ordered? If she's sitting, I'm gonna give her these animals that I just ordered because I ordered more than chickens. The others come supposedly next week or 2 weeks from now, and the chickens won't be here for a while. The neighbor gave me some suggestions. We're getting this fixed. This is empty now. He said to put up some like noisemakers on the outside of the windows so that I can keep the windows open because it gets hot as heck in here. So I'm gonna put up, I think, some wind chimes, and he also suggested that I should put up a trail camera. I need to put it somewhere over here because I need to get this taken care of. He said the way that the screen, because it was across, it was like it was ripped or took a knife was taken to it, that it was probably a bobcat because it was clean, and that's the only thing that would have done that. So we're gonna do that too. These girls are hot. Lay your eggs and get out. You 2 have been in here for a while. Check you. You tell me, check. Are you broody? Are you? You sitting on these eggs, Mama? You gonna hatch these for me? This is how. Oh boy. Trying to figure out if Mama got rid of her babies to put guess that answered my question. Look at that. A non-broody wouldn't do that. You see how my other hen, who's just laying eggs, got up and walked away? Couldn't you have waited a few weeks? Like, for real? You just got rid of those babies. Those babies survived. And now you're broody again. That's great. Great, great, great. I'm so happy that she was survived and that my other Silky was survived. But this is just terrible. This is horrible. This is sad. I don't think I've ever cried so hard over our chickens, like the massacre. I'd seen it before back in November when this first happened, and I just was like, oh, they're chickens, it's fine, whatever. We got some more 2 months later, 3 months later, and 6 months later, those guys are gone. So the same way that it happened here is the same way that it happened back in November, except they were all out in our yard. And it's the same survivors too. Minus one. Our blue egg layer is gone. So, which is fine, which I don't care if she hatches some of those. Whatever, there's a wasp flying around me. But yeah. we are back down to a small amount again for now. I had to order 15 chickens. It's the smallest that you can go. And whatever it was destroyed my hosta. But yeah. My grandfather is at the hardware store getting this fixed. So yeah, after you find those rabbits in the garden, this happens. But I guess it's what happens when you have chickens. Other things have to eat, but this one was rough. It was super rough. And I'm still weirded out. We think it's a bobcat now because the dog didn't tell us that something was in the yard. The neighbor said that it's because cats are really quiet. But these are doing really good. These are all weeds except for this. My corn. But yeah. This is gonna be a nice, fun. I lost some corn. Did I lose some corn? Yeah, I did. I lost a few stalks of corn. Lost a whole row of corn. That's okay. Look, guys, my corn is way knee high by the 4th of July. Oh, what am I gonna do with you guys? And I'm glad that they're not afraid to go into the coop, because usually when a massacre like that happens, they're afraid to go back to the place that it happened at. But they're safe. And they're not scared. So that's okay. It has been a few days since our little accident. I'm missing the screen on this. This is what I didn't want. I didn't want none of this screwed into the freaking coop. Because then I have to find something to fix the holes and paint for this. They're like, it's temporary. I don't want nothing screwed into my coop, excuse me. That's all of them. They're like, well, I wanted something in front of the window. Bro, put the window down. But I just want to show you guys something freaking awesome. These okras, when I planted them, were yay big. And I planted them on Thursday. So they're doing really amazing. And I need to get in here. Okay, I need help. Why does this grass keep coming back? I used a killer on it and it just keeps coming back. Like, I don't understand it. I need to get rid of it. This grass over here is dead. But like, I don't understand why it just keeps coming back. And there's mushrooms in there now too. It's terrible. And I'm hoping when these start vining, there's $1. I left my $1 in there. I'm growing money. See it? And I'm hoping that when my plants start vining, they block out the weeds. But we'll see. Now what I'm going to do is replant some tomato bushes. Here comes the dog. That we bought. They're supposed to be a pot variety, like you're supposed to be able to grow them in pots like this, but these are really bad looking. They look like they are root bound and just struggling, so I'm gonna plant one over here in my garden of weeds. But yeah, my green beans came back. Looks like we have some green beans on them. What you doing? It's a tomato plant, Goof. So I think I'm going to plant. I don't know which one I want to plant over here. But I got both tomatoes planted. They look a bit rough right now, but they will perk up a lot in the next couple of days. This one, I don't have any tomato cages that are big enough for these guys. Plus, I can't get any tomato cages around them because they're already way too big. So I'm gonna have to take some string and pull it and attach it to a windmill. And probably the same with that one. A couple of ties per each. And then they should be good. And I've already harvested some green beans off of those plants right there. Looks like I could probably get a few more. Let's see. This one, no. That one's not perfect. I got some more coming on. Let's see, how about these ones? Not ready. Okay, got some more blossoms coming on. Good, good. This one is good to come off. This guy's huge. This one is ready to come off as well. How did I miss these guys? And then there's a caterpillar or something eating these. So that's cool. And I also have to go into the garden real fast. You have to do some snipping of some green bean leaves back there because they have he's called leaf miner. Let's come back here and see. I gotta pull more weeds again. Where's this guy at? Here it is. I got a few down over here too. Let's see. This guy right here. You're just gonna take that leaf. Alright, there was another one that had some. This one's not too bad. Pull that guy off. And this one is really bad. Cool. How about this one? Alright, I think we should be. Should be good. Right. Hey. Cantaloupe. Let's see these guys. No beans on these. I'm still amazed at my okra. Got the leaf miner taken care of, hopefully. I'll show you what it is. Alright, I don't know if you can see this, but this is leaf miner damage. It's a beetle or a fly or a moth that lays their eggs on the back of these leaves. And then once the eggs hatch, they feast on the nutrients in the leaf and create what looks like that. They can be very, very invasive, so that's why you want to catch early.